So here's it. Okay, so here's the phone, and here's the back. You see the back, it has something new. So I've replaced it. Look at the old one. See, and here is the new one. And the screen, uh, this, yeah, the whole screen is right here. See the two? Good. So let me turn this on. Yeah, it vibrated. Yep, S10. So completely something new. Yep. So completely booted. Swipe up. Yep. Okay, keypad. So everything is working. Let me click on here. Can see this clearly. Okay, click on here. Create new contact. Yep. See 1, 2, 3. Press QWERTY UIOP. Yep. EFDFGHK. Oh, everything is pressing. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. And come in here. Let me turn on this. Eye comfort. Not sharing anything. Eye comfort. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Yep. Yep. Good. Dark mode. Perfect. Good. All right. So this phone is alive.